Hi folks, Dick Moran here with Consumers First Mortgage, bringing you another Consumer's Moment. Thanks for tuning in. A couple of things I thought you might want to be aware of. Number one, you heard at the end of the year, I talked about it with you, the payroll tax extension. Well, we're at it again. It's up for renewal. You've read in the paper possibly today that Congress is considering an extension of that. And in fact, they think they have to in order to maintain their electability. Well, that's not a freebie, folks. Guess what? We are still going to be paying for that through the mortgage add-ons, through the secondary market. Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae's rates are going to increase. Over the next 10 years, that's going to be in place to pay for this payroll tax extension. Folks who finance today are going to pay for it for 30 years, but the increase is going to occur for 10 years. FHA premiums are looking to increase, we hear, for the same purposes, partly to fund the payroll tax extension, and the rest is because the FHA program is in desperate trouble with delinquencies and problems. And we hear that they may be going up as much as 2% on the monthly premium for FHA financing. That's going to devastate the program and basically put it out of business. We'll be looking back to the mortgage insurance companies in the private sector to fund loans in excess of 80% again. I don't know that that's good or bad. But on the good note, I have a customer that I'm refinancing, and a year ago we started this process of refinancing, and at that time his appraised value didn't quite make it, and therefore we stopped. Came back to me a few months later, and we reappraised the property with a different appraisal, and guess what? It was up $25,000 from the first appraisal a year ago, and so we were able to complete the transaction. Well, this same borrower is ecstatic with the new rates of 3.75% on a 30-year fixed and 3% on a 7/1 ARM, for example, and wants to refinance again. So we started that process now 6 or 8 months after the last time, and guess what? A new appraisal, another appraiser, another $10,000 to $15,000 in positive value on that property. Things are really looking good in this area. And I thought you might like to take that piece of news to the bank and know that we're here at Consumers First Mortgage to help you out in any way we can. Give a call 24/7. And if you have a chance, drop a note to your congressmen and your senators and let them know how happy you are that they're picking the pockets of your customers over the next 10 years to pay for basically a flim-flam payroll tax extension so everybody can increase their electability. Hey, that's my 2 cents. We'll talk again soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.